this is probably the first time in my life where I actually look white.
Hawaiianese and you come from the island?
Yo, what's going on, you guys? Welcome back today to another video. And in today's video, we got Chris doing slave work. Now I'm just messing around, but right now we pulled up in the middle of Vic doing work. Oh, I can see myself. What he's gonna do is he's gonna put the Starlight headliner in here. I like how you guys said Sosa was only here for 5 minutes and he did the most work. What's the plan here? Because I haven't seen one of these like a long time. Are you gonna drill a hole right here and then like run some?
No, these all holes are here.
Yeah.
We're running them. And then from there I just hot glue the gun on the top so they won't come out.
Wait, so like how are these done? But you see, like I don't understand how it's gonna run. Like, are you gonna have all of them together the whole time and then they're just gonna disperse right here?
Yeah, like that. But that's why I did them into 3 sections. I'll put one here. That one's gonna cover that space. I'll put one right here. It's gonna cover most of this one, and then if I need extra, it's gonna run down.
Oh, so you're gonna have like 3 of these. This guy actually looks beautiful right now. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Actually, it looks really good on camera. Alright, well, we gotta get to work. I'm gonna set this up and we're gonna start working. Alright, so
when you put it down,
this is what I got done in the span of 45 minutes. You see this beautiful work? And that's also my work right there. Hey! Do you need a Starliner done, but you're too lazy? What else is supposed to, what am I supposed to say after that? Alright, so this is what we're looking like after us doing this very hard work.
Yeah, very hard.
Hey, you say you don't want to be shown, so I get to claim all your work. Let's go.